I love this highlighting powder. This is a staple in every woman's makeup bag because I think we all love to see glowing skin and we all want to be able to highlight in a very sophisticated way. This is such a beautiful highlighter. It's so subtle in the way that it moves into the skin. It melds in and it gives a slight, beautiful candlelit shimmer without looking like too glossy or glittery. Here I'm using Fleur de France, which is this beautiful colored champagne tone shimmer, and it looks beautiful on every skin tone. I'm applying the highlighter on the tops of the cheekbones, on the brow bone, and the bridge of the nose, and then I love to add a finishing touch by just adding to the Cupid's bow, right above the Cupid's bow for a finished look. Sometimes I like to use just my fingers to get into smaller areas where I feel like I can do more detail work. This is the most amazing formula because it's so forgiving. You can sweep this over your collarbone, over your shoulders. It melts right into the skin and just disappears and just adds that little bit of shimmer that looks so beautiful and ties together your entire look. You can see how incredibly versatile this is by the fact that I've used the same color on 3 completely different shades of skin.